Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've got a Roku streaming stick and an older LG TV, today I'm going to show you exactly how to program your Roku remote so it can control your LG TV powering, turning on and off, and also volume up and down. It is super easy and it only takes a minute or two, so let's get started. First, plug the Roku stick into an HDMI port on the back or side of your LG TV. If your TV has USB-A port, you can use that to power the Roku stick instead of using the included power brick. This way, when you turn your TV on, the Roku stick will also power on automatically, just like a built-in Roku TV. At this point, I had to manually turn on the TV using the power button on the TV itself because again, the Roku remote isn't programmed yet. As you can see, I'm also not able to turn the TV off or adjust the volume right now. Even without programming the remote, the directional arrows up, down, left, and right will function, but again, the power and the volume controls will not. So to program the remote, scroll up or down until you get to settings. Click on settings, then go to remote and devices, then go to remote and go down to add new remote. Select remote based on the picture shown on the screen and then click OK. Now follow the screen instruction, remove the battery cover and press the pairing button for 3 to 5 seconds until the green LED blinks. Okay, so the remote is already paired with the TV. Now you're gonna have to do the simple setup. Click continue as recommended and just follow the instruction on the screen. And that's it, your Roku remote is now controlling your TV volume up and down, and you can now turn on and off using the Roku remote as well. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more random useful videos, and if you have any question, leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.